What's going on, guys? Today is Tuesday the 23rd and it's dyno day. So as you guys saw in the previous video, we set the appointment for the dyno, which is awesome because it's been long awaited. I've been wanting to figure out what kind of power this thing is making to the wheels, which the dyno is going to solve for us today. So I saw a lot of guesses. A lot of them were to my liking. A lot of them were not so good. So I'm really hoping that, you know, we put out the power that I think we're going to put out with this tune or this JB4 map, which is going to be great. So I'm actually on my way to pick up Jade. She's going to come with me. It is pouring outside, so I'm not sure if it's the best day to do a dyno. I want to start slipping on the dyno because of all the water I bring in, but whatever. After I pick her up, we're going to go out to Baldwin, where Speed World is, and we're gonna get the dyno going. I'm hoping to get there around 12:30, which is awesome. I'm not sure if that subscriber that said it was gonna be there is going to be there or not. I think Mark GTI or something like that. Yeah, so I'm actually pretty excited, and these are the types of things I do for you guys, because obviously we got to get the content out right now, but it's still raining and I did not want to miss out on this at all. So I'm actually not feeling good, guys, at all. I don't know if I have the flu or what the hell's going on, but I haven't been feeling very well. Left early from work yesterday, spent the whole day sick at home, just Mucinexing it and, you know, taking all drugs. So I do feel a little bit better. My throat's a little bit scratchy still, so, you know, if I mess up talking, don't blame it on me, blame it on the sickness. Hopefully my mic is picking up all the sound very well, because I am running on the GoPro today, because since we're well, not outside, but since it's raining outside, I'd like to sort of, you know, be able to have the camera on me still and then not mess up my my mirrorless camera. Alright, so finally back in my house. I actually had to wait till the next morning to do this because obviously I'm sick. If you can't tell by my voice, then you don't know what I sound like ever. So I'm actually gonna pull up the car to the garage here and take off the front bumper, and we're going to go ahead and install those rods in the front bumper. So now that we've taken the whole thing off, obviously the whole thing is disassembled, now what I want to do is actually figure out where I want to put the rods exactly. So I'm going to put this down here. I'm going to bring down the rods because we can't really mess this up. The Maxton splitter already has a hole for where it needs to go over here, so I'm actually just gonna hand tighten that where it's supposed to go, right over here. So that's tightened in. Now what I need to figure out is where I want to put this. So obviously most people do this route here. I actually think I want to do it like this somehow, as opposed to going all the way up and making it very non-discreet. I think I want to do this right here. So I have to see where that lands behind here. If it's not too obstructive, we're gonna go ahead and do that. This looks like it might be a good place to put it. So I think that's what I'm gonna do right there, guys. Just make sure that it's all the way to the bottom. Line that up, and we're gonna get to drilling right here. I think it's gonna look good. It's gonna look good with these little fangs over here. So, and it's gonna give it a little bit more support in the winter time. I thought about doing that as well. That might look a little bit better, actually. All right, so we're gonna mark it right where I want it to go. Like I said, guys, excuse me if I'm a little sick, but I wanted to get this done. I'm gonna go full send on the front bumper. Going full send on the front bumper. Alright, overexposed and a half. So now I've set up both sides, guys. Both of them are on. Let's put this thing back together and see what it actually looks like. One more night. Alright, so now that I set up the entire thing, it's time to put my tools away. Wow, man, I'm terrible today. It's time to put all my tools away, put the plate back on, and hopefully this thing looks good. Obviously, excuse my car. It's still winter time and it's still dirty, so yeah. I'll be by your side. Just stay. Just stay. So that's all done. I think it looks really good. I think maybe a little bit loosening up just so that we can straighten some things out might help, but definitely as downforce is gonna help. At first I was a little against the idea of putting them on, but you know, just like the rear splitter, they're designed a certain way and you gotta just stick to that way. Come on, focus on me. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I think it was, you know, obviously a little bit all over the place, and I apologize for that. I've been sick the past 2 days, so, you know, content has been really rough to do. Obviously, you guys will still have your Friday video and your Sunday video. Not a problem at all. I'll figure out how to make that happen for you guys. But like I said, the dyno day has been rescheduled. It's going to be rescheduled for next Tuesday at 6:30, so this Tuesday could not happen because of some scheduling issues, and also the dyno was kind of partly outside where they put the machine, so yeah, it was like raining out, so it was really ugly. I don't think it was the day that we were supposed to make the dyno happen. So thank you very much for watching, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe down below. We're trying to get to 1,000 by February 20th. And if you guys are subscribed to the channel and you guys are not viewing every single video, that's probably because you guys are not being notified. So in order to get notified, if you want to and you like my content, make sure you hit that bell, and that'll let you know that I've been posting videos, right? So thank you very much for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Peace out. Let's not pretend.